Gautam Gambhir की press conference, which Didi rightly mentioned that he kind of got irritated at the same type of questions. I think एक undertone था उसकी press conference के अंदर, and he clearly mentioned that people who are mentally strong, match temperament, उसने बहुत repeat करा in words को. So I think that is where they have lost confidence in Sai Sudarshan. I think उनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसका अभी भी मैच टेम्परामेंट या मेंटल रिजॉल्व उतना ऊपर नहीं है.
लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं. प्रत्युष सब कह रहे हैं कि मिरेकल हो गया. प्रत्युष इज प्रेजिंग रोहित. एक कमेंट भी है फ्रॉम प्रियांशु. प्रत्युष भाई सिर्फ प्लेयर्स के रिटायरमेंट करवाते हो या फिर जीजी की भी टेस्ट कोचिंग से रिटायर होंगे?
जीजी तो कहीं नहीं जा रहे यार 2027 तक.
The visuals which we saw yesterday and the kind of post-discharge routine he has been advised, it's highly unlikely. First, they want the mobility to be restored because it's a neck issue and it is something which has happened to him in the past. This is not the first occasion. Was it a bad 11? I don't think it was a bad 11. You played poorly. आप 125 रन आपको चेस करने चाहिए थे. ध्रुव जुरैल जिस बॉल पे आउट हुए वो आउट होने वाली बॉल नहीं थी. जायसवाल could have avoided being flashy. ऋषभ पंत looked after a very long time इतना circumspect और इतना iffy और edgy लगा.
The big question is who plays in place of Shubman Gill, because it is certain he's not going to play.
Still there has been no official word about it. There are speculations because he could not come into bat yesterday in a situation where it was just a matter of probably batting 20, like just standing there for 24 balls or so shows that obviously the whatever has happened is extremely severe. I do not know the exact details of the injury. Probably Sahil knows better, but it seems a severe injury. That's because in a situation like that, if he could just stand, he would have come. So if an injury like that happens, it is difficult to be fit in a space of 5 days and play another test match.
Sahil Malhotra, I just want to know from you. He's been discharged. We saw some video. Nowadays, it's easy to get footage from hospitals these days. I don't know how. So we saw him walking away with a brace around his neck. What's the latest? I read about interspinous ligament injury. In layman's terms, is he playing the second test match or no? And what is the future after that?
80-20. 20% I'm leaving to our optimism and stuff like that. Otherwise, the visuals which we saw yesterday and the kind of post-discharge routine he has been advised, it's highly unlikely. First, they want the mobility to be restored because it's a neck issue and it is something which has happened to him in the past. This is not the first occasion. I was briefly, informally speaking to people around him and they were like, it has happened like multiple times in the past, but it was not as severe as it was during this case. वो पहले neck spasm होता था, थोड़ा stiffness होता था, a bad pillow or a bad mattress, they thought, but there are bigger things at play here. So there will be a thorough assessment done, and right now it looks highly unlikely that he'll feature in the Guwahati test. There is a strong indication from his side that he wants to continue traveling with the team, and even that will happen only if there are no red flags by the BCCI medical team, because when you have a neck injury, you're not advised to kind of undertake air travel or stuff like that, or travel long distances and put any more strain on the neck, which is very sensitive right now.
Okay, we've got a super chat from Pushpa Vati, and this is for you, Sahil. She's saying, Sahil, did Team India play wrong 11, blaming Gigi for these really? And now question Sundar Spot at number 3, really blind hate on Gigi and coaching staff. There was one more very interesting question that someone said, and it says, Sahil, in bowling, we may prefer right arm, left arm spin. Similarly, in batting, also we need variety in batting order to replace Gill. And there's one more very interesting question. It's a funny question, and this is from King. He says India should play Nitish Kumar Reddy and Shivam Dube in place of Bumrah and Siraj, and Abhishek Sharma in place of Jaiswal. Longer batting, more bowling options. So yeah, Sahil, go on.
No, see, first with regards to the playing 11,
and also there's one more option for you. Sahil, by debut for Mithun Manhas, India needs a right-hander.
So last wala pehle leta hu. Mithun Manhas, kali we were speaking at a function. He was like all guns blazing in that ICC BCCI match. Pura chakke mara for BCCI in that ICC versus BCCI cricket match.
ICC जैसा bowling कर रहा था क्या?
पता नहीं अब कौन बॉल डाला, बट ICC और BCCI का मैच हुआ, उसका फुटेज बाहर नहीं आई, बट some people were talking in DDCA yesterday about it. So yeah. So now on a serious note, I think playing 11 की बहुत बात हो रही है. Gautam Gambhir की press conference, which DD rightly mentioned that he kind of got irritated at the same type of questions. I think एक undertone था उसकी press conference के अंदर, and he clearly mentioned that people who are mentally strong, match temperament, उसने बहुत repeat करा in words को. So I think that is where they have lost confidence in Sai Sudarshan. I think उनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसका अभी भी match temperament या mental resolve उतना ऊपर नहीं है. And why they went for Washi ahead of Sai Sudarshan, that's clearly my theory. Because Washington's Sai Sudarshan is a predominantly back foot player. वो बहुत उसका पहला instinct is to go back. So on a pitch like this where they expect it to be dry, कि आपने पानी नहीं डाला, variable bounce रहेगा, that is where I think ये couple of things led to Washi getting the nod ahead of Sai Sudarshan. Whether I am in favor or not, that's I think a discussion for a different day. But abhi purely speaking from why they could have gone ahead with that 11, this looks the reason to me. Was it a bad 11? I don't think it was a bad 11. You played poorly. आप 125 रन आपको चेस करने चाहिए थे. ध्रुव जुरैल जिस बॉल पे आउट हुए वो आउट होने वाली बॉल नहीं थी. जायसवाल could have avoided being flashy. ऋषभ पंत looked after a very long time इतना circumspect और इतना iffy और edgy लगा. मतलब हमने देखा है ऋषभ को यार, मतलब जब नेथन लायन भी स्क्वायर टर्न कर रहा होता था, used to have that kind of confidence. But I think that whole thing of being a batter shot in that tight chase was playing up on the head. कोई भी अपना natural game खेलता दिखा नहीं, except अक्सर, but अक्सर also was more out of desperation कि केशव महाराज को maximize कर लेता हूँ क्योंकि रन तो लग नहीं रहे. तो playing 11 पे तो नहीं कुछ कह सकते. I think it was down to poor execution with the bat, with the ball. You can now in hindsight say कि left arm spinner से start क्यों किया, बुमराह सिराज को लगाते. मैं उस सब पे नहीं जा रहा because it was a game of very little margin or it could have gone either way. But I think it was down to poor execution more than poor 11.
He's asking Sahil any chance of Riyan Parag debut on his home ground. He can also bowl. And he's a right-hander too.
No, if they play Devdutt Padikkal or Sai Sudarshan in the 11, they'll end up having 7 left-handers. And
we were talking about it yesterday, Sahil, that between 83 and 88 January, India had no left-hander in their lineup. Between 1983, end of 1983.
First left-hander was W.V. Raman. After that.
So basically, after Dilip Doshi, who was, like, God bless his soul.
और भी एक था Raghuram Bhatt. Raghuram Bhatt was a left-hander.
as in 83, वो दोनों एक ही सीरीज में last time खेले थे. तो imagine कि क्या क्या अकाल पड़ गया था उस वक्त in terms of left hand batter. So imagine what we are looking at. तब से लेकर अब तक
राइटी का नीड तो है, बट अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी राइटी का ऐसा ऑप्शन भी नहीं है. जुरेल को अगर आप 4 पे खिला भी दोगे तो नीचे देन यू आर काइंड ऑफ अलाउइंग हार्मर एंड एडन मार्करम टू बोल इन टैंडम इफ एट ऑल यू गो ईडन वे विद रिगार्ड्स टू द पिच. बहुत टफ कॉल्स हैं, टैक्टिकल कॉल्स लेने होंगे बिकॉज अभी आई डोंट थिंक दे कैन अफोर्ड टू लूज दिस मैच. यू कांट अफोर्ड टू लूज दिस मैच. बहुत बैकलैश होगा क्लियरली बिकॉज आप टैक्टिकली गलत गए. लीडिंग पे वो पिच आउट करके एंड एग्जीक्यूशन ही नहीं था बैटर्स का. तो अभी ये कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है बैटिंग यूनिट के अंदर. वो भी बहुत क्रूशियल रोल प्ले करेगा. और अभी आप नीचे लगे हुए सीरीज में. रबाडा अगर आ गया, रबाडा को खिला दिया हल्का सा ट्रू विकेट के ऊपर, तो रबाडा विल ओनली मेक लाइफ डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम.
रबाडा कवाड़ा कर देगा. प्रत्युष, तो सुपर चैट फॉर यू from Ramesh. He's saying if this kind of pitches GG is adamant on in home conditions, then whoever they bring in the 11 will struggle, especially with DRS in these pitches.
I think इस तरीके के pitches पे हमेशा struggle हुआ है. If you see like even when India used, rank turners पे भी जो खेले हैं पहले भी, तो एक मैच या इंग्लैंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाली सीरीज में एक मैच वो लोग जीत ही जाते थे. But then since you had like Ashwin and Jadeja who can run through any batting order, और थोड़ा अपना बैटिंग बेटर था. रोहित शर्मा, the 2.0 रोहित शर्मा, the opener, the kind of knock, I can still remember the Chennai knock जो सेंचुरी था. So मतलब बैटिंग हमारी अभी जो ये नया लॉट है, this lot, the transition, they clearly उनका डिफेंस उतना अच्छा नहीं है. बेसिकली agar if the one thing that as I was talking to a former like India cricketer Manoj Tiwari and MP अभी Trinamool Congress के, he was telling me एक preparation नाम की भी चीज होती है. You can't play a T20 है, then सीधा आप बोलो आजकल जो बोलते हैं mindset का है. No boss, आपको adaptation is the key. अगर आपको pitch condition नहीं मालूम है, you will struggle. And अगर आपका technique सही नहीं है, because if you see, there was an indecisiveness with the way Jadeja got out in both the innings. उसको साइमन हार्मर बोल के सेट करके ट्रैप कर रहा था. और द वे ध्रुव जुरेल गॉट आउट और ऋषभ पंत गॉट आउट, द ओनली वन हु लुक्ड सेटल्ड in both the innings was Washington Sundar. Maybe because he was using his feet more. तो अभी मतलब सब T20 का गेम जो वो ओवरलैप होता है ना, it's not easy. And that's why I just want to say it on record, Virat Kohli might be the last cricketer जिसने तीनों फॉर्मेट एक साथ रूल किया. We won't find any other cricketer who will rule all three formats like the way Virat did. I mean, वो नहीं हो पाएगा. And there's something because they don't prepare well. अभी आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आके यहाँ पे ईडन में वहां के पिच के बाद इधर आके आप खेलोगे, नहीं होगा. इवन ऋषभ पंत, द BCCI एक्सीलेंस जहाँ पे साउथ अफ्रीका चेज डाउन 400 साउथ अफ्रीका इट वाज अ फ्लैट ट्रैक. तो अब अभी वहां से आने के बाद ईडन में खेलना इनवेरिएबल बाउंस एंड एवरीथिंग, इट्स डिफिकल्ट.
लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं. प्रत्युष सब कह रहे हैं कि मिरेकल हो गया. प्रत्युष इज प्रेजिंग रोहित. मतलब और एक कमेंट भी है फ्रॉम प्रियांशु. प्रत्युष भाई सिर्फ प्लेयर्स के रिटायरमेंट करवाते हो या फिर जीजी की भी टेस्ट कोचिंग से रिटायर होंगे?
जीजी तो कहीं नहीं जा रहे यार 2027 तक. अभी कोई फिर से एक टूर्नामेंट होगा व्हाइट बॉल का, जीत जाएंगे हम लोग.
सुपर चैट फॉर यू डीडी, and this is from Ayush Jindal. There are a few super chats. I'll throw them to you right now. Didi sir, yesterday one of the journalists asked Gigi that why was Pant so vulnerable against spin. Is that even a question? I feel Gill should not be risked. Reed Savla is asking, Didi sir, Virat आपके क्वेश्चन पे गुस्सा हुआ था क्या? इंडिया वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका 2018 टूर पे, साउथ अफ्रीका टूर पे. एंड देयर इज वन मोर क्वेश्चन. यस, पुष्पावती सेज, Didi, in last video you said Gigi is not seeing long-term success. Really? Team, his majority of them are youngsters. We used to develop fast bowler in backup. So you want to take that, Didi?
The majority of them are youngsters. Majority of them are youngsters because they have to be youngsters. Like he doesn't have an option. He has chosen it that way. And Gautam Gambhir is in red ball cricket. He is not doing well as a coach. It is as simple as that. Like he has lost 4 home test matches in less than a year. When he took over as the coach of the Indian team last year, it was a foregone conclusion that India will play the WTC final. I was covering the first test of that season. It was against Bangladesh. The question was, would you guys like to wrap up the WTC final spot before you go to Australia? So that was the chatter. From there, India did not qualify for the WTC final. Had it been another day and another age, Gautam Gambhir or another sport in another sector or in another sport, Gautam Gambhir would have been sacked as the test coach. Maybe he would have carried on as the white ball coach, but it was humiliation of the highest order. A whitewash at home. And coaching is all about, and Gautam Gambhir also swears by that it is about results. It is about results. Like sometimes when you do not have a long-term plan, etc., when you just somehow manage to get the results, everything gets papered over.